Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase app for beginners buying crypto and managing risk. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the app store relevant to your device. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you're using an Android device, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Coinbase. Once the search results appear, look for the official Coinbase app. Make sure it has the right logo and is published by Coinbase Incorporated. Tap on the app to open its page. Now, click the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Coinbase app by tapping on its icon. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Choose to sign up as a new user or log in if you already have an account. If signing up, enter your email address and create a secure password. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link and click it to continue. After verification, return to the app and log in with your credentials. Next, you'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your phone number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to complete this step. Once secured, you will be taken to your Coinbase dashboard. To start buying crypto, tap on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen. Choose the Buy option from the Trade menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Input the amount you want to buy. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm your purchase by tapping the Buy Now button. Now, to manage your risk, consider setting up price alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.